Hello friends, welcome back to PLC Programming tutorials, and let's begin our next question that is also related to timers and the comparators. So the question we have is, code a basic traffic light simulator such that when X0 is pressed, then the following sequence should occur. So here we have to make a traffic light simulator, and as you can see that we have to turn on the red light between 0 to 10 seconds, and between 10 to 12 seconds we have to also turn on the orange light, and the red light is also on, so which means that we have to turn on the red light between 0 to 12 seconds, and between 12 to 23 seconds we have to turn off the red light and the orange light and turn on the green light, and finally we have to turn on the orange light and the green light between 23 to 25 seconds, and the red light is turned off. So the orange light is turned on twice between 10 to 12 seconds and between 23 to 25 seconds, and after 25 seconds we have to reset the timer and the whole cycle will be repeated. So one more thing that I want to tell you, that we can also add indicator lights like we see in the traffic light, and for that go to HMI and control panels and click on this plus sign, then go to control and signaling devices and add these pilot lights. So I drag and drop over here. So we need 3 pilot lights. Okay, so I change the color of these 2 lights, the first one to red. I go to data and select this red, and the second one to yellow. So when we will make our ladder logic, then we will finally associate these indicators with the outputs. So now let's build our ladder logic. So we need multiple contacts, normally open contacts, and I go to ladder for AB PLC and add some normally open contacts. And also we need a timer. Okay, so now I will associate the first contact with the input 0, and this contact with the EN bit of the timer because we have to latch the timer. And now we will configure this timer and connect its EN bit with the output 0. And also we have to change its preset to 25 seconds. Okay, so now we will add our first comparator. And we will add less than equal to comparator. And we also add output coil. So I configure this comparator and connect the source A with the ACC bit of the timer, that is counting bit of the timer, and replace this 0 with 12 seconds because we have to turn on the red light for 12 seconds. Okay, now I will associate this output coil with the out one. So now we will add more comparators for our second output, and we will add greater than equal to comparator, and also less than equal to comparator, and an output coil. So we have to turn on the yellow light between 10 to 12 seconds, and for that I configure this greater than equal to comparator and connect its source here with the ECC bit, and I go to data and replace this 0 with 10 because greater than equal to 10, the second output will be turned on, and less than equal to 12 seconds, and I connect the source here with the ACC bit. Okay, so we have done, and let's connect this output coil with the output 2. Okay, so now we will add more comparators. So as you can see that we have to turn on the yellow light twice, that is from 10 to 12 seconds and between 23 to 25 seconds. So we need more comparators, and we will connect in parallel with the output 2. So, and also I have to stretch this round because I have to add more comparators. Okay, so I add more comparators, greater than equal to comparator, and less than equal to comparator. Okay, so let's configure it. So greater than or equal to 23 seconds, the second output will be turned on again, and this comparator also we have to configure. And less than equal to 25 seconds. So till less than equal to 25 seconds, the second output will be turned on, and after that it will be turned off. And we need more space. Okay, so let's add another comparator for our third output, and I connect this greater than equal to comparator and less than equal to comparator. and an output coil. Okay, so I associate this coil with the output 3, and let's configure this comparator. And greater than equal to 12 seconds, the green light will be turned on, and less than equal to 25 seconds. I have done some mistake. And greater than equal to 25 seconds, the third output will be turned on, and after that it will be turned off. So now I have to reset the timer in order to repeat this whole cycle again, and for that I need a reset coil and a normally open contact. And I connect this contact with the DN bit of the timer, that is the output bit of the timer, that after 25 seconds the output of the timer will be turned on, and that will reset this timer. Okay, so now finally what we have to do, we have to connect these indicators with the output, and also we have to connect these outputs with the 25 volts. Okay, so now we will connect these indicators with the outputs. The first one with the output 1, the second one with the output 2, and the third one with the output 3. So we have done, and let's simulate it. Okay, so wait a second. Okay, so now let's simulate it again. Okay, so as you can see, the first output is turned on because this comparator is true. That is, from 0 to 12 seconds the first output is turned on, and when I press the push button the timer is latched, and after 10 seconds the second output will be turned on. As you can see, the second output is turned on, and after 12 seconds the third output will be turned on, and the second output is turned off. And after 23 seconds the second output will be turned on again, and finally the red light is turned on and both the lights are turned off. So when I press the push button again, the timer is start again, and this whole cycle will be repeated. So I hope you have understood. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.